Hey everybody, Dave with Auto Glass Helpline here, and you can see we have our WRD PRO6 set up on our window. And because I'm not perfect, I just noticed that our fender has an overhang. You can see that our glass ducks down behind here, so we're going to make a minor adjustment here, and we're actually going to take this and we're going to go from where we're sitting right now, and we're going to drop this straight down about 1.5 inches. So I'm going to mark where you're at. You're going to come down about 1.5 inches or so, because what we need to do is we need to bring that glass down low enough to duck underneath here. And what we'll do is when I get this glass out, I will dry set this and show you guys the difference in the setup. So as normal, our glass would be sitting right about up here. So we'd be, 2.5, 3 inches ish above our pinch weld. And we need to bring that down closer. And we don't want to move forward or back any, because we don't want to change our bumper here. So I'm going to just drop this down, and you can see our old ring here. You're going to come down about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, just straight down and anchor this cup. All right. And I will be back shortly with a dry set to show you where it's sitting. All right, see you soon. All right guys, back here with our BMW X5, and we still have our adjustment that we made here. We did not change the forward or the back, just the up and down to accommodate for this fender flare that the auto engineers were so kind to add. So because BMW hoods articulate out of the way, we're going to take advantage of that, and you're going to find its happy place where it's going to stay right where you want it. And let's dry set this to show you the change. Hang it like normal. Need to go up and over, and you're going to make sure you tuck under that little flare on the other side, and then same thing over here. You're going to go just underneath it to keep yourself from hitting your bead on the deck there. Set this guy in place. That's where we want it. Okay. We're where we want to be here. And when we walk over to this side, you can see that we are clear. Ignore the dust there. We are clear of our fender. So another good thing to do, which I did not here, is put a piece of blue tape, yellow tape, orange tape, green tape, whatever tape you use, and tape over the top of this and around this edge. That way, if you do happen to bump the fender, you don't scuff it or scratch the clear coat, because we all know that people who drive these cars have a tendency to look at everything we do, and even some stuff we don't. So that is where you want to be sitting, right here. You're not touching the fender, and you're also not touching your bead here, whether you shoot the body or whether you shoot the glass. All right, I'm gonna shoot this thing and get it set. Thanks for watching. Till next time.